Good afternoon, everyone. How are you doing today? In continuation of our quadratic equation, I want to quickly solve this because of those that were not in the class before we move on to completing the square method. You will do well to join my live this afternoon by 3 p.m. Nigerian time so that we can solve completing the square method. We shall be using completing the square method. Let's quickly solve this because of those that were not in the class yesterday. Now, I said when you are factorizing quadratic equation, that is, you simplify it into two brackets. You are not asked to solve. When you are asked to solve, you are going to look for the value of the unknown letter. So, but this one you are asked to factorize. So what you do, look at the product here, which is minus 150. Minus 150, that is the product. Then the sum, which is 25. I said look for all the factors of 150. So you're going to have 1 times 150, 2 times 75, 3 times 50. Can 4 go? Let's check. No, 4 cannot go. 5 times 30. Can 6 go? 6 in 15. 6 in 15, 2. 6 times 25. What again? 10 times 15. So these are all the factors of 150. So how do we know? This one is having plus and this one is having minus. One of it must have plus and one of it must have minus. Now in sum, when we are treating sum, the one that carries the number is the bigger number of the two. So the bigger number of these two factors must have plus. So the smaller one we have minus because times plus times minus is minus. Plus times minus is minus. But the bigger number will carry this side. If you understand it, please say yes in the comment section. Thank you very much. So let's solve. If we put minus here and put plus here, 150 minus 1, you're going to get 149. Very, very distant from here. If you put plus and put minus here, 75 minus 2 is going to give you 73. It's very, very far. If you put plus here and minus here, it's going to give you 47. Plus minus here is going to give you 25. It's going to give you plus 25. This one will give you plus 25. Okay, this is 1. This is 1. So let's try this. If you put plus here and put minus here, it's going to give you 19. If you put plus here and you put minus here, it's going to give you 5. So this is what we are looking for. Now you rewrite your question, which will be a squared. Then instead of this plus 25, you fix in this. You have minus 5a plus 30a. Then you fix in this minus 150. Then group them like this, pair them. What is common in this bracket? A is common. You have a squared divided by a, you have a, minus 5a divided by a, you have 5, right? Now you have plus here. What is common in 30? What is a common factor? And 150. So 30 is a common factor. Fix in your 30, right? Open another bracket. Now 30a divided by 30, you still have a plus minus. What do you have? Minus 150 divided by 30, you have 5. Close the bracket. Now you can see that this a minus 5 is also a minus 5. Out of these two brackets, pick one out, which is a minus 5. Then this one that is outside, which is what? A plus 30. And you have succeeded in factorizing this. This is the answer. Thank you very much. We shall be meeting in the next class by 3 p.m. Nigerian time. See you then. Bye.